Good day, my name is Carmela Icban, a fourth-year computer science student from Adamson University. During my internship at StraStan, I was assigned to both the digital marketing and IT teams. So this experience allowed me to explore both the creative and technical sides of the industry and helped me grow professionally and personally. Before my internship, I already had experience in graphic design, video editing, content creation, and writing captions. On the technical side, I had knowledge in web development and programming from school, but I still lack real-world experience working on actual projects. So before starting, I would rate myself around 7 out of 10 in digital marketing and 6 out of 10 in IT. For my digital marketing experience, I worked on creating social media posts, reels, captions, and other marketing materials for different brands. One challenge I experienced was adjusting to different branding styles and target audiences. Through this, I learned more about brand consistency and content strategy, and I realized that effective content should not only look good but also communicate the right message clearly. For my IT experience, I was able to work on front-end related tasks and learn more about React, Tailwind, API integration, and wiring up front-end components. I also gained experience understanding existing code bases and making sure that the front-end properly connects with the back-end data. One challenge I faced was understanding how data flows between the front-end and back-end, especially when fetching and displaying information correctly. So through this experience, I improved my technical problem-solving skills and became more confident in my front-end development. Overall, I learned that digital marketing focuses more on communication, branding, creativity, and audience engagement, while IT focuses more on systems, functionality, and solving technical problems. I would say I grew more in IT and front-end development, but my experience in digital marketing also improved my creativity and understanding of how businesses communicate with audiences online. This internship prepared me for real-world work by teaching me how to manage deadlines, communicate with the team, accept feedback, and adapt to different kinds of tasks. It also helped me understand the importance of balancing both technical and creative skills in today's digital industry. To my mentors and the whole StraStan team, thank you for the guidance, the support, and valuable learning experience throughout my internship journey. So I am truly grateful for everything I learned during my time here. Thank you very much.